Welcome back, scholars. I'm glad that you're here to learn about the next planet we'll be studying, Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and not only that, it's a beautiful planet. If you look up in the sky and you see Venus, it's going to be bright, bright yellow. It looks like a star to us, but through a decent telescope, it looks like a gorgeous yellow planet. And for that reason, the ancient Greek people and then the Romans named it after their goddess of beauty. The symbol for Venus looks like a hand mirror, something that you would hold in your hand for a mirror. And that's why we have that symbol for the planet Venus. Now, Venus is in many ways similar to Earth. It's almost the exact same size as Earth. It also is similar in composition. It has a core, a hot mantle, and a crust, just like Earth. But in many ways, it's Earth's evil twin, because it would be deadly for human beings to step foot on the surface. One reason is its thick atmosphere that's made almost entirely of carbon dioxide, which is toxic to human beings. Not only that, sulfuric gases make yellow clouds cover the entire sky, and constantly over the whole planet, those clouds rain down acid rain. Now, Venus's atmosphere is so thick and heavy that if a human being were to step outside of their spacecraft, they would be instantly crushed like a tin can. The atmosphere on Venus is 90 times heavier than the atmosphere on Earth, so heavy that it would break an astronaut's bones. It also wins the award for the solar system's hottest planet. Yes, it is even hotter than Mercury. The reason it is so hot is it is close to the sun, but also those thick gases that surround the planet trap all of the heat on the surface of the planet. We call that the greenhouse effect. Venus is also covered with huge volcanoes. It has many more large volcanoes than Earth, and these volcanoes are erupting. So you would have to deal with the lava, the explosions, the rocks raining down all around you, and the gases coming out of those volcanoes add to the thick atmosphere and more greenhouse effect. Venus, interestingly, spins backwards compared to the other planets in the solar system. Most of the planets in the solar system spin the way the Earth does, but Venus spins backwards. Not only that, it spins very slowly, so slowly that Venus's year is longer than its day. This is a really interesting video explaining other ways that Venus is dangerous to human beings. And this is why I suggest you watch the video. Your assignment is to write a letter to NASA. You're going to pretend that NASA is considering sending astronauts to Mars. You are going to give NASA as many reasons as you can as to why that would be a bad idea. You need at least 3 to be proficient. If you get 4 or 5, you could be advanced. Remember to sign your name at the end of the letter and submit it by tomorrow. Scholars, stay safe and keep learning.